This lesson deals with supplemental problem 211. You can find this problem in the course ebook in the Chapter 2 Supplemental Problems on page 12. Given this circuit, could you find the resistance R1 between this terminal and this terminal, R2 between this terminal and this terminal, R3 between this terminal and this terminal, R4 between here and here, and then lastly R equivalent between these two terminals. So let's begin to find the equivalent resistances. The 6 ohms is sharing the same current as the 8 ohms. That would be then in series. Add 8 plus 16 and get 14. The 14 is in parallel with 84 and 24 because they share the same two nodes. 3 in parallel, I'm going to take 2 at a time. Take the product over the sum. Really any two. Here I'll do the 24 and the 84. And doing this on my calculator, I got 18.667. And then that being in parallel with 14 would be product over sum. And that turns out to be 8 ohms. All of this is reduced to just 8 ohms. Now that's in series with 12, so that makes 20. And then 20 is in parallel with 20. Because again, all this back here, just draw it like this, is in parallel with 20. So 20 in parallel with 20 is half the value, so it's 10. And that 10 then is in series with 2, which gives me 12 ohms. And that's our equivalent. R3 was 20, R4 was 10, and our equivalent was 12. This is supplemental problem 211.